What's up guys? Today I'm going to be putting in an exhaust on my 240 as well as taking you guys through a quick update on what's going on with the car. So if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that I did paint the car. I made a video of it, but it didn't turn out very well. Well, the quality of the paint didn't turn out very well. That's why I didn't put the video up. It just looks like primer, but I'll be doing another video when I do end up repainting the car. I still haven't decided on a different color yet. Some other things that I didn't really do videos of was I got this ISR power steering kit all installed. It has been leaking, so I don't know if I did it wrong or what, but it's been leaking from right there where that line goes in. So I just installed these crush washers, the copper crush washers. They were on the stock banjo bolt, so I think that might have been my problem. So with those on now, hopefully it won't leak. I haven't tried it yet, so I guess I'll find out. So for the interior, I installed this just no-name seat for the passenger side. I've got just another cheap seat on the driver's side. And that's basically it. Got my wipers working and stuff. I drove the car to work the other day and hit some train tracks. I've been dragging the exhaust. I had to drag it to get home. So today I'm going to be installing an eBay exhaust that I ordered, and I'm probably going to cut the muffler off of it and just make it a straight blast pipe coming out the back. So I'll take you guys through doing that. Here's the new exhaust. I mean, I got it for $100 on eBay. Really, I just needed the bends and stuff because I didn't want to go through and pie cut and just do the whole custom exhaust. I'm probably going to end up chopping this can off and just straight piping it back. I don't think the can will really line up with my rear bumper that I have on right now, so might as well just do some blast pipes coming out the back. They're probably just a single one. So I got the old exhaust pulled out. Okay, so I got the mid pipe on. The hanger matched up perfect. But now with this, I won't be able to fit this on with my rear bumper. So I'm just going to chop off the can and okay, so I've got this all. I cut the muffler off. Now I'm just gonna go and chop off a piece of this 3-inch exhaust tubing that I have and weld it on there. So this, I've got it mocked up right now. This is about what it's going to be like. Now I just need to tack it in place. Take it off, throw a good bead around the whole thing. Be good to go. video. Be sure to check out our Lowstate Big Cartel, and see you next time.